In this tutorial, we will create a badge with the database with the help of the wizard. The database functionality is only available in Evolis Badgy200 Plus. The Badgy200 Plus edition allows you to link the fields created with the wizard to a database that is internal to the software. To do this, let's go through the wizard from the start. Select the card orientation. Select background. Check the photo field, then the logo field. And browse for the logo on your computer. Click on Next. In the last step of the wizard, check the Use Document Database box. We can now customize the field names and types. Here we have two text fields, for example, first name and surname. Click on Finish. The badge appears on the screen. You can move the features as you wish. Here we have configured the fields to be linked to a database. They can be edited just by double-clicking them. First, you need to create records in the database. Click on the database icon and go to Edit Records tab. Here we have the fields configured with the help of the wizard. To add a record, click on the plus button and complete the field. To customize the photo, double-click on it and select one from your computer. Confirm and click on the plus button to create a new record. Note that the photo will be added to the .card file which comes with your badge and will not be linked to the image file located on your computer. Now return to the badge view. The database fields created through the wizard appear on your badge. To add another field to your database, create a new column in your database, either from the Edit Records window or by clicking on Add Column to Table in the right-hand side of your window. Give the field a name, select the field type, and complete the new field. If you want this field to appear on your badge, click and drag with your mouse from the Database Properties window onto your badge. Your badge is ready to be printed.